Hey guys, as you may be noticing, I'm speaking in English. Yes, this video is going to be in English, so if you want to practice or something, you can activate the captions over here. They are either in Spanish and English, and this video is going to be also in Spanish, so just be patient because I think that the Friday I'll upload it. So yeah, today we got the Notion tour. I've never done something like this, and I think that you will love it. If you have no idea of what is Notion, I'll explain you. Notion is basically the best productivity app. I mean, I literally organize my whole life in here. So let's get started. We're going to start with this page, which is called Nita. I have over here some pages that I'll be showing you later. But yeah, it is called Anita. But you know, like I changed the first A for a star, you know? Star. It's like an A, I don't know. So in the cover I got my vision board and you'll see like 3 times. I'll show it then. Okay, so today's like Sunday 10. So after that we got this, which is a quote. I would usually put a better quote, but that's what we have. I mean, it has a real meaning. I mean, it basically means that you can't change things. I mean, if something happened, why are you overthinking it? Yeah, kind of that. It says basically, if my uncle had titties, he would be my aunt. But my uncle doesn't have titties, so he's not my aunt. After that, we got this link for the page of 2021 that we're going to see later. We got this, which is basically the 3 tasks of each day. I used to do like a weekly diagram, or I don't know, but I don't know, I just changed it for this, you know, keep it simple. After that, we got these 3 different sections that are learning, workspace, and personal. Learning, we got language learning, some courses that I used to do, and oh my god, like reading. Now workspace, which has YouTube, Video Anita, TikTok, and Strella, which is my online makeup shop. And in personal, I got my finances, my travels that I'm planning, of course, because I haven't traveled yet. And random links. There's a link to another page which is over here. So in language learning, I do have some things that might be a real help. I don't know. I'll just explain. I got English, for example. Oh my god. I'm sorry, I have nothing on English. For instance, I got Portuguese. I'm sorry. So the cover is a picture of some random beach over there. Over here I have some facts. These are like, I don't know, like some notes that I've done. This is a word that I got to put on vocabulary. And this is a song. I didn't know that my language Notion weren't up to date. I mean, they're kind of empty, but yeah. April 24 is the date which I start learning French, because I am planning a video for April 24. So here we got vocabulary, some vocabulary, you know, like words, phrases, and slang. See, I do have some phrases. You know, I got here some phrases that I have learned, that I find them really important, like this. Slang, I also have slang, you know, like, I don't know. J'ai parlé français comme une vache espagnol. That's literally my life. And of course words. Oh my god, this has no meaning. So yeah, that's basically a language learning page of mine. And facts, tips, and tricks. It's like things that I got to take note of or learn. That's all from language learning. In courses, you know, like extra courses, I have done some. You know, like 2. It's like I want to do a lot of courses. I have a really big list, each category. But still, I can't find myself. I mean, I have not like the vontade. I'm sorry. I just forget the words in English. I'm sorry. If you came for practicing English, you're now learning Portuguese as well. And of course, in reading, we had some books that I want to read. You know, like a list of things that I got to read like this month. Last year, I wanted to read a bunch of books in just 1 month. But this year, I was just like a bit simple. Let's just read 2. And I'm currently reading Hamlet. And I want to finish Harry 7 because, you know, Harry Potter 7. Harry Potter and the Deadly Hallows. I've read it like tons of times. And yeah, there's like some books that I want to read. Let's pass to the workspace section. Let's get started with YouTube. This is going to be really censored because I have tons of ideas. You know, there's tons of surprises that I don't want you to get to know before they come out. I have no script for these videos, like the Notion tour, but still I'm going to show you. You know, I put on the status when I got the idea, when I do the research, script, ready to filming right now. I'm not filming this one because this is in Spanish, but yeah, kind of, you know, like the tags, what is that about? And you know, sometimes I script. Beauty by Nita! That's my Instagram act, and I do a lot of content. Oh my god. I mean, you should follow me on Instagram, yeah. The way I plan Beauty by Nita content is really different. If you have used Trello, it's kind of the same thing. It's just that it has way more functions than Trello because it's Notion and it's a wholesome thing. Status, you know, like the type, if it's a challenge, IGTV, stories, reels, or a picture, and you know, the date. That's everything. TikTok! You know, the content in TikTok, it's way more simple. I just kind of do some research. I use books, Pinterest, you know, like all these resources I've got. And yeah, I kind of just clarify them, like the ideas and everything. Yeah, you know, you can follow me on TikTok. Now we're going with Strella, which is the last one in workspace. So in content I got like the same structure, it's just that I don't use it. You know, I've got all the branding stuff, marketing plan, logistics, and ideas. And this is just a screenshot that I found, like, for giving me ideas. Now we're passing through personal. That's way too personal, but I mean, it's not that interesting. You know, I mean, in travels, I have nothing, like, for real, just got, like, the page done. So we'll see finance tracker. So yeah, you know, I got, like, my personal incomes and my Strella incomes. In personal, it's, like, my incomes and my spends, of course. And we got random links, which I'll show you later on. Here's my vision board. I am zooming out for you to see. So what can I explain? You know, the flags are just the languages that I am learning and I wanna learn. I already have a video talking about that. You know, Instagram, TikTok, Strella, YouTube, they're like so obvious. Girl meditating because I want to start doing yoga or meditating. Like that hard with a... I don't know how to say that in English, I'm sorry. I used to watch Grey's Anatomy, but I forgot everything, I'm sorry. Also, I have a Brazil map because I want to go. I'm gonna travel to Brazil this year, yeah. That girl, like, putting on makeup to another girl, it's like me as a professional makeup artist. The girl in the vanity, it's more like me doing a great skincare. This means that I want to get to be millionaire, of course. Lengua de señas colombiana, you know, like American, you know, like sign language, but for my country. Reading, cooking. I also want to learn playing guitar because I do have one and it actually is blue. And this is a Spotify logo because I want to do some playlist. Yeah, I have no playlist in Spotify. I mean, I do have some, but they're not like good. It's kind of basic, but that's my vision board. It's the first time I do a vision board. So now we're passing to 2021. As well, I got the vision board. It's just that it's in a different position. The first you find is a page, which is like an overview of my last year. The good things, the bad things, and like a mini or shorter overview of each month. Now I got this, which is like the second section of the page, which is what comes this year. So I have like a letter for me in 2022. What do I want to have? What do I want to do? And what do I want to be? This one, which is what I'm going to do this year, it's just like a way of me imagining my life this year, and I just wrote down the things that I wanted to do. And we got our resolutions. I divide them in like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, in 8 I guess, in 8 sections, which are health, development, self-esteem, self-conception, my social life, intellectual life, professional life, finances, and hobbies. So this, which is the first one, it's I want to go to the gym, and this is like a habit that I want to get. And yeah, it's basically that. In my intellectual life, you know, I already did a video about my language goals in this year. It's just that I didn't talk about this, which is starting with the sign language. So after that, we got long story short, which is basically all the things that I wrote down. I just put on a dragon because I thought it was cute, and I also think because the long story short, long Jake long in total there are like 30. Then I divide my year into semesters, which are 2, and into quarters, which are 4. I'm kind of lost for the second semester, but still. Per quarter, I just wrote down like 5 things I wanted to do. Some things may change, some things have already changed, so I think that's great. It's just like a guide I want to have. I got a calendar, is something that you can do in Notion. It's not that I use it because I'm really bad at using that. Then I got the journal, which is something that I used to do like every day, but then I don't know, I just start forgetting about writing down. Still, I like having like a diary, a journal, you know, it's great. That's things I wrote down last year. Now the random links page. So it's basically links, notes, things that I want to see, watch, listen to. Useful links, I guess. It's basically like links. Research later. Well, I have this word, which is cognados, and it's something that I want to talk about in this channel, actually. These are like documentaries that I want to see, podcasts, or, you know, like TED Talks or something. Articles, these are places here in Colombia that I want to go, I want to visit them. And these are random music recommendations that people have done to me in TikTok lives. And at last, this is a random page I've created because yesterday I went into a masterclass. It was in French, wrote down some things, I took some screenshots, and basically that. So yeah, that's basically my Notion tour. I really hope you liked this video, guys. And yeah, just wait for the Friday and I'll upload this same video in Spanish. Bye, guys.